This is an Alberta emergency alert. Town of Banff has issued an overland flood alert. This alert is in effect for Banff. The Bow River Basin has received 250 millimeters of precipitation since Wednesday morning, and the river levels are rising in response to heavy precipitation. There is a large amount of water traveling across land. This is leading to localized flooding. The areas around the Bow River and its tributaries have reached dangerous flooding levels. If you are in the affected area, avoid rivers and low-lying areas. Be aware of areas known to flood easily. Follow the directions of local authorities. Go to www.banff.ca for any updates. For details visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.